Have you ever found yourself doing the dishes, cleaning your desk, or organizing your emails instead of working on something really important? You know you're avoiding the main task, but you're still doing something. That's what people call productive procrastination. It sounds like a contradiction, something we usually see as bad. Be productive. What productive procrastination really means? Procrastination is usually when we delay something important because it feels hard, boring, or stressful. But with productive procrastination, we're not just wasting time scrolling on social media or watching random videos. Instead, we switch to another task, one that still has some value. For example, maybe you don't feel like writing that long report, so you start cleaning your workspace or replying to emails. You're still procrastinating, but you're doing something useful while avoiding the bigger thing. In short, you're working, just not on the thing you should be working on. Why it happens? Our brains like short-term rewards. When we face a big or difficult task, our mind looks for something easier, something that still feels productive but doesn't require as much effort. So, productive procrastination becomes a way to trick ourselves into staying busy, even when motivation is low. And here's the interesting part. It's not always a bad thing. The benefits of productive procrastination. When used wisely, productive procrastination can actually help you. Here's how. It keeps your momentum. You're still active and moving forward, instead of doing nothing. It reduces guilt. You're not just avoiding work, you're accomplishing smaller things that make you feel better. It gives your mind space to think. Sometimes, stepping away from a big task helps your brain find new ideas or solutions in the background. It improves your environment. Doing small tasks like cleaning or organizing can make it easier to focus later. So yes, procrastination can be turned into something positive if you use it intentionally. How to use productive procrastination wisely. Here are a few tips to make it work for you. List your tasks by importance. When you feel like procrastinating, choose something useful from the lower priority list. That way, even when you're avoiding one thing, you're completing another. Use it as a warm-up. Start with easy, productive tasks to build momentum, then move on to the main project. Don't get stuck in it. Productive procrastination is a temporary strategy. At some point, you have to face the big task. You can even set a timer. For example, I'll clean my room for 15 minutes, then start the report. Notice your patterns. Pay attention to why you're procrastinating. Is it fear of failure, perfectionism, or just lack of energy? Understanding the reason helps you break the cycle, turning procrastination into progress. The truth is, everyone procrastinates sometimes. The key is to use that time in a way that still moves you forward. So next time you find yourself doing laundry instead of working, ask yourself, is this helping me prepare for what I need to do later? If the answer is yes, congratulations. You're not just procrastinating, you're productive procrastinating. And that's a small but powerful mindset shift that can make your days more balanced, your work less stressful, and your progress more consistent.